the COVID-19, we can't work and we stuck at home. And my wife requested me to actually use the leftover from the previous project to actually build something for her. So you can see this one is the chicken pie slippers, and we got 3 pieces here. Should be 2 meters long, and also some leftover. We laid that on the floor already. And what we want to build is around this area, so that we can actually grow our homemade vegetable. We actually decided to build a box on the floor, and then a folding box about that high around this level, just like this one here, and then on top, so that we will have 2 levels in the box. So let's start the work. One angle. So because this part is higher, this one is lower, so we are going to take a little bit so that the timber sit over there will be a little bit level. So now start. So for this fixing, if you got the nail gun, you can actually do the nail gun. Otherwise, you can use the bungle screw, long one. Normally people do it like this, but this time I'm going to do it in an angle so that it will be more solid. Okay. Okay. Now we've actually finished this base, and this size level, that size level, that size level. So later on, we are going to put the plastic underneath, and then punch some holes, and then we can actually put our good soil for vegetation later.